Hello folks, we've extended Vlogmas by one more day. This is going to be another easy recipe, coconut macaroons. We got this recipe from Celebrating Appalachia. Folks, you need to check that channel out. Tipper, she has an awesome channel. Let's get started. Alrighty, a 14 ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounce bag of coconut flakes, and some vanilla. That's some of our homemade vanilla we made there. Pour in the bag of coconut. Super easy recipe, folks, but it's good. I'd like to thank Tipper for sharing this with us. Alright, we pour in our sweetened condensed milk. Alrighty. Come on, Doug, get a spatula, stick in there. Spurtle. Alright, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we just mix this together, folks. We've got our oven preheating to 350 while we're doing this. Just mix it all together real good there. Yep, so it looks like that. And then we get out a little ice cream scoop and just make little balls there. And press them in pretty tight and it'll stay compacted in there pretty good. But yeah, folks, sometime you need to check out Celebrating Appalachia. And then she's got 2 girls, the Presley girls. They've got a channel. Great singing. You just need to check them out sometime. Alrighty. Glad Doug picked the pace up there. Now we're going to place them in the oven. Bake them for about 12 minutes. And I put them back in for just a little bit longer to brown them up just a little bit. Folks, they is good. My mom liked them, Carolyn liked them, Dan liked them. We all did. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. You all have a great day. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And we probably won't be having a video tomorrow. We'll be shortening our schedule up just a little bit, but we'll still be around. Folks, thank you again for watching.